Hello investor, hopefully you are having a wonderful time. In today's video, I'm covering Mr. Ray Dalio top 10 stocks investments, and this is the very latest in data using which he files on 13th of November 2020. Myself Pramod Kumar, I am a CFA charter holder and FRM certified. His company name is Bridgewater Associates, or we can say his hedge fund name, and that's one of the top hedge funds because it has $8.3 billion of the money over amount that he is invested in that fund. So what's the criteria, right? So what I will show you what's his actual amount he's invested in that stock, what purchase price he has used, and indicate new or old purchase, whether it is a new investment, he's totally brand new, or it was there before. And so that's what I'll use. And last, not so that kind of a information I'll use, and I'll list the 10 stocks for sure. The number 10 is less amount invested, and number 1 is the highest amount invested. So that's what my criteria for ranking. And I use the 2020 August data to compare the stocks, right? So to compare this, come up with this listings, whether for new or old. Okay, so the number 10 is the McDonald's. Yes, you might heard, oh, McDonald's. Yes, so I was surprised as well, but since I did a video on my channel on the stock valuation and on this, so I know that's a pretty good investment. For sure, this is not a very good growth stock, but that's what it is. So it's in the share price, what he got it is $219, right? And 49 cents. The total amount he used to buy the stock is $77 million. This is not a small amount, this is a very big amount. And I did a full stock valuation on my channel. So yeah, if you feel like, check it out. If you already know my kind of stock valuation where I use the models and all, maybe I'll show you afterwards as well. Okay, let's get into the number 9. What is number 9? Number 9 is a Costco. Costco is the wonderful stock. The prices which he used to enter is 335, and the amount he's invested is just little over $77,625,000, right? And yes, I just did yesterday video on the stock as well. The reason for that is for sure I noticed the stock value, the special dividend, right? The company was giving special dividend, so that's one of the reason. And also yes, his is a great company as well. Okay, so feel free to check it out that on my channel as well, right? So maybe I'll quickly show you my channel, that video, right? So if I go to okay, so here, just to save time, I'm on my channel Rise Analytics, and here I have many playlists: stock valuation, Adobe, and yeah, and also the top portfolio, right? If you want to see some other guys' portfolio, these are all here as well. So if I come to the stock valuation, and here you can see Apple, blah blah and all, or I think this should be usually the latest one. Yeah, this one, stock Costco. If I click on this one, I just want to show something, right? Long-term data. So you can see the cash is my videos. I'll cover the everything, right? So this was like I use the models to cover and all, right? So that's how it works, and then come up with a fair price. Try to see from the different angles, right? That's the idea. Even the McDonald's was there, right? Feel free to check it out. Let me show you one random. Yeah, so yeah, okay, I'll put a link there so it's easy for you to look. and otherwise you just usually I just search here, and you can find that. Okay, so what's the number 8? In the number 8, number 8 is here. Yeah, this is Pinduoduo Inc. Yeah, this is a little bit is a Chinese stock, and honestly I don't know. This is $74.15 and 81 million is invested. But if let's quickly see on the Yahoo Finance about this stocks. If I go here and type that company, PIND, I'm not sure if you have investment in this one, or you are also the ticker is PDD. So right, so looks like the company, the price is 143. Yeah, he already make the double of his investment, right? We can easily see here. So smart guy, right? So if it's, yeah, okay, yeah. So if I see from this company, okay, Pinduoduo is a subsidiary operating e-commerce. Okay, yeah, it's a Chinese company, e-commerce platform, mobile, and some kind of a good, right? The company formerly known as Walnut Groups and changed its name Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo was founded. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think about this stock, right? So, but this looks like $171 billion company. Is not making any profit, is negative, and quickly this is yeah, it's trading pretty high. 52-week, yeah, almost near its 52-week high range. Okay, so I'm not here to analyze today, but yeah, it's good to see what's happening. So he's make a good deal on this one. Okay, so the number 7 is Pepsi. Yes, Pepsi, I also have invested in Pepsi long time ago. I did a video on my channel using to see Pepsi is quite good, and he bought it at $138.60, that price, and the amount invested is over $96 million. So that's a huge that's a very good amount of money. And yes, this is the new position. He doesn't have this position before, and he seems like what I, yeah, so it's a new position, right? Okay, so let's go continue. Johnson and Johnson, $148.88. Again, this is a new position, and this is a little over $99 million he has invested in this. That's a huge amount of money, right? A lot of money he has invested. Okay, so yeah, feel free to please give a thumbs up or subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you haven't did so, it really motivates, and it gives the signal to Google algorithm that this video is doing a good job, right? Okay, what next? Oh, Coke. Okay, Coke. So yeah, Coke is $49.37. I also did a video on my channel because it's requested by someone. Again, this is a new position, and amount is $100 million. So that's a very good that's a very heavy investment. So it seems like he's investing, and people think like it's a party time and for this next quarter, and Coke, Pepsi, that kind of I can see those investment coming, right? People like to, in McDonald's, people like to go and spend there. So that's quite, seems like that kind of what do you think, right? So that's where he's going. JD.com. Okay, so JD.com, I didn't did a video, although it's been requested. I didn't get a chance, but since it's also listed here, I'm thinking to do a video on that. It's requested by one of the YouTuber. Apologize, I haven't get a chance, but I'll definitely do the video. And he has invested $129 million into this company. So if I quickly go to the Yahoo Finance again and say, what is this JD.com? Okay, so this JD.com is already, he make a good lot of money, right? You can see here 336. I think I picked the wrong ticker. JD. Yeah, I should be picking this one. Yeah, $87. So he's made $10 per share, right? So Wow, this looks like a pretty good investment. Okay, what's the company profile? Okay, these are the subsidiary operate e-commerce, retail, Republic of China. Okay, this is again a Chinese company. Two segment, retail and new business. The company offer appliance, hence maybe I'll make it a little bigger, easier to read. Furnitures, it also provide gift, blah blah. Okay, it's operated in 7 cities. Yeah, company has strategic cooperation with Tencent Holding. Yeah, okay, so it has some holdings. It seems like this online comes some kind of retail e-commerce company, just like Alibaba and all maybe. Yeah, I need to do more research basically online, right, to see what this company does. From the usually I go to the company investment relations and then find it, but this is also a good place to quickly see what's happening. Yeah, 135 billion now these days to easily get those billion numbers, right? Okay, so let's go to the number 3. Now we are into this top 3 category. So let's see what is this. So number 3 is Procter and Gamble. Okay, this is also the new position. So seems like he's he's bullish on Procter and Gamble, and he bought 170 million, invested in that, and almost $139 he bought the share price, right, per share price. Okay, so let's keep going. Now next is the number 2. Wow, number 2 is none other than Walmart, and I think this is a good company. I did a very good I shouldn't say that, but at least try my best to do the stock valuation on long few months when the virus, so still the video is valid, and this is a new positions, and look at the amount is almost 200 million he has invested in that stock. So that's pretty cool. Okay, last but not least, Alibaba is recently the stock price crash, and I did very latest this video on this one. This was requested by one of the YouTubers as well, and he invested. This is the number 1 stock he's holding. So think from this perspective, the person who and is the $293.98. And if I honestly go to the website, right, Yahoo Finance, and see the price, he is 271. So still I think if somebody who wants to think and go with this hedge funds, they can still get a better deal, because the share price seems like now going up again, right, $271, and it just today is just gone up $11. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and for sure, if you want to check that video, I did a full very deep video on the Baba stock as well, like, which is a ticker name for Alibaba. Yeah, and there are some other stocks on my channels as well, right? Feel free to check it out. So yeah, and if you're new, yeah, and if you want to check some others portfolio managers like Warren Buffett, which is 6 months ago, but yeah, Manish Pabrai and all, so still valid. But if you want me to cover any updated on this one, yeah, and this Michael Burry as well. This is one of my favorite hedge fund manager as well. So in this one, I listed all his stock as well. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So yeah, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment your favorite stock. And I do appreciate liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Bye for now.